What's up, everybody? Cortez Cuts back at it with another video. I felt like it was only right for me to drop another video before I leave for vacation. Please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, drop a comment on a haircut you want to see, a type of video you want to see. I'm open to suggestions. Guys, I'm so ready for this vacation. I don't think you know how ready I am. This week has felt like the longest week of my life, and it's always the last week or the last couple days where it feels like it's going by maybe a little bit too slow. I leave on Tuesday, and Jesus Christ, can Tuesday get here any slower? And then you know what it is? It's when you on vacation, it goes by really damn fast. I don't know why that is. Enough of that, you know what I mean? I just felt like I had to let y'all know that time is going by really slow. Let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. I had my homeboy Joe Angel, and he said he was down to be on social media, and for me to record him while I was doing the cut. And I posted a reel of his haircut and a TikTok of his haircut, but I feel like I just haven't had enough time to actually edit this video and actually, or even make an intro for this video. But here we are. Here we are. We're making time for it. We're making time for it. Y'all go ahead and follow my boy Joe Angel. I'm gonna go ahead and drop his Instagram right here. Let's get into this tutorial, yo. So to start this haircut off, he does want a 4 all the way around. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my 4 guard, slap it on, close my lever, and just go around his head using all angles, forward, backward, side to side, everything, just to make sure it's all even. To set my ball guideline, I'm gonna get my Stylecraft Instinct trimmers, and I'm gonna set it halfway in between his natural neckline and his earlobe. Now, to make it easier to fade into the 4, I'm gonna get my 3 guard, slap it on there, close the lever all the way, and just go off the shape of his head, not too high. Now to create my first guideline, I grab my clipper, my half guard, close the lever all the way, and I'm gonna go up about a finger's width. Now for my second guideline, I'm gonna get my 1 guard, lever open, go up another finger's width. So now for our last guideline, we're gonna get our 2 guard, lever open, and go up about another finger's width. Now to start fading down, you're gonna get your 1.5 guard. You're gonna start lever open, and you're gonna follow it up right underneath that 2 guard. Close it and lighten up that second guideline you made with the 1 guard open. Now to fully take out that 1.5 line, I'm gonna get my 1 guard, lever open, and I'm gonna flick into it. And then to lighten up that half guideline, I'm gonna close it and follow it up right underneath. Now you might need to detail, so when you detail, use only your corners, and you're gonna hit those dark spots around that 1.5 area. Now to blend out that half guideline, you're gonna get your half guard, slap it on there, start lever open. You're gonna work your way into that one guard area, and as you go lower, go halfway closed, fully closed, and you will barely even see the guideline that you made with the half guard closed. Again, detailing is necessary, so when you detail, open up your lever and go the corners only, and just hit the dark spots around the half guard, one guard area. Now to put everything together, you're basically going to go into the half guard and taking out the bald guideline at the same time. You're going to go no guard, lever open, go up into that half guard, and then lever halfway closed, lever closed. You will need to detail again, because just flicking is not going to do it. Corners only, hit those dark spots around the half guard.
Holy shit, this is so funny. You were given a specific list of cars to go after. The cars on that list You know, you guys should think about switching travel agents.
And I'm hoping I get taken to San Antonio to go help out with a photo shoot.
Alright y'all, here's a quick time-lapse video of the right side of the taper. I'm just going to be using the same exact steps, just so y'all can see more or less that I do my fades and my tapers basically the exact same way every single time. Start lining them up around ears, his neck, and his edge up, and I'm going to get my fabulous trim.
You say this is okay?
So when it comes to the vertical bars, I barely even tap them, and the C-cups is basically the lowest part of the vertical bar, and from where the sideburn is at, I mark both of those and just meet them with the curve in the middle. And when it comes to edge ups on buzzed cuts, whatever guard I used, so for this video, since his top is a 4, I went ahead and tapered his front hairline with a 3, and I lined him up. So when you line up, you start in the middle, work your way to one corner, and when you get to the corner, work your way back to the middle just to make sure it's even. So for around the ears, I'm basically just continuing from the sideburn where his natural line is, basically just cutting off all the overhang and then sharpening it out, going against the grain back to the ear. It still looks crispy, as you can see. So when I use the razor, I lay all my clients back if they get rigid, and I just go against the grain towards the hairline, and it makes it more crispier than using the blade going away from the hairline. All I do is separate the ear and scalp away from each other. I just take off the excess hair and I go towards the back of the ear and go against the grain. course, when you're done, put some talcum powder on your neck duster. Take all that hair off. And you need a little spice, bro. Spice. And this is the final result, y'all. Clean taper, smooth blend,
Nothing here for
crispy
Munch's family.
hairlines, crispy edge up. Come on with it.
Michael. That's worse. Yeah. So time is of the essence. How do you have your capital? Mostly.
All right, y'all. Well, that's how you do a mid taper. That's how you do a mid taper. If you watched all the way to the end, I greatly appreciate y'all. Again, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Justin Cortez Cuts. I'm posting every day on Instagram and TikTok. Trying to post as often as I can on YouTube. I'm trying to make trying to put some shorts out, but sometimes my videos are a few seconds too long. Yeah, I appreciate y'all watching this video, and stay tuned for the next tutorial or the next video. And like I said, I'm going on vacation, so I'm going to CT Barber Expo. So y'all finna see some content from CT Barber Expo and my flight. Thank you. Hopefully everybody has a good weekend, and stay up, y'all.